friends, welcome to the first ever video review shoot from 7 Ubiquitous. Now, the schooling decision has always been a problem for every family. It is difficult to identify which is a good school. The parents usually rely on the traditional method of choosing a school, which means we usually ask our friends and family where do their kids go for schooling, and then we tend to ask them recommendations. There are several criteria which we rely on. So, for example, the proximity from the house, how far is the school, the fee the school charges, and what value the school is actually giving. It could be the past results of the school. Now, to solve this problem, what we have done is we have identified a way in which we would do an independent review of schools for the parents so that they can select which one is the best. On a bright sunny winter morning today, we are in Agra to review the International School of Agra. Let us see what values TISA imparts to its kids and what ratings is 7 willing to give them.
We are thankful to the management of TISA for inviting us to independently review their teaching practices, infrastructure, and other identifiable factors that determine success, challenges, and opportunities for continuous improvement of the school. We have carefully identified 7 assessment criteria on which we will be reviewing the schools. These are courtesy and promptness in resolving issues, safety, provision and transport, curriculum teaching ability, quality of sports and amenities, overall costs and benefits, sanitation and cleanliness, and special needs. The school's philosophy is based on sowing seeds of success in your child in a safe and friendly environment. TISA focuses on inculcating the values of compassion, truth, love, and respect of our culture and heritage. The statement of the school is based on 3 principles: to initiate an educational revolution, to innovate the keys of success, and to inspire the future generation. The International School Agra offers a robust transport system that is safe and covers a wider geographical area of the city. Few parents who we met during our visit to school appreciated the efforts of the promptness and alertness of the driver while behind the wheels. The school buses are not air conditioned, however, the school may plan to offer one if there is a demand by the parents in near future. The kindergarten curriculum is based on age-specific learning goals and has been designed keeping in view the educational trends and the needs of the children. A thematic approach is adopted to foster learning across the curriculum, placing an emphasis on developing key skills. It is planned across different areas of learning, facilitate the children to develop at their own pace through differentiated and collaborative learning. The curriculum provides opportunity for playing and exploring, active learning, and thinking creatively. TISA's enriched programs to stimulate children's interest are carefully planned and supported. The children are exposed to a variety of exciting and positive experiences and hands-on activities which enables them to explore and elevate their interest. They are encouraged to think, find things, and talk about them. The integration of all the areas of learning provides ample opportunities for children to make connections between their experience. The International School Agra focuses to implement play-based learning framework of creative curriculum, that is comprehensive system of learning based on research and knowledge regarding all areas of child development such as social, emotional, physical, cognitive and language. Play allows children to learn about themselves and their surroundings. As children play, they learn new skills, develop mechanism and explore new ideas. At TISA, music and dance take high priority as a creative medium of human expressions. Music and dance are taught by specialists to all students throughout the school. However, drama is taught as a timetabled subject. The International School of Agra use theatre and cinema to help students learn to build a better relationship with their peer group and subsequently learn to establish a better relationship with parents and teachers. The school exhibits 2 badminton courts which match up with the international level and are very well maintained. Other indoor games include table tennis, professional chess classes by an expert, and many more. The outdoor games have many options such as safe and secured multiple swings. Students are constantly under supervision of an adult when they enjoy here. The fine quality of sports and infrastructure was again witnessed as we proceeded towards the basketball court and the cricket net. In fact, what really caught my attention were the large-size maps on the walls in the corridor.
Look at this entire wall. This is my favorite place in the school building. I like the way the school has actually efficiently utilized the walls. Look at these maps. They are used actually to teach children the geographical boundaries. These are very detailed. Of course, the maps includes the India, the US, and then followed by Europe, and then there's Central America and the Africa too. I would give it a best rating. Wow, they look so good. What an innovative way to mark an attendance. Ma'am, can you please explain us what is this? Ma'am, can you explain us what is this?
Yes, sure. This is the self-attendance in which students come in the morning and they themselves take out these names and their photos on their own, so that we have the data that how many students are present today and how many students are absent today.
So how old are the kids? What is it? 4 years. Wow, what an interesting and innovative way to mark attendance.
Yes.
I really like this.
The washrooms were neat and clean, and a regular cleaner was deputed to ensure hygiene standards. It wasn't just the infrastructure and the teaching philosophy that Team 7 was noticing on its visit. In fact, we were overwhelmed with the rich experience and qualifications of the senior management at TISA. In the end, we spoke to the Honorable Principal himself about a candid feedback which he willingly accepted. We finally got the answer to the question we asked in the beginning of this video. Is TISA worth? And here is our verdict on it. Here are the star ratings which we arrived at after careful assessment of the school. By far, we found the school scoring high on each criterion except for few minor issues which are insignificant and can be ignored. Team 7 strongly recommends TISA to every parent who is looking for a vibrant and modern school, yet professing culture that keeps our young ones grounded.